Greetings again, everyone, and welcome back to the Up and Live Show. We are here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. I'm your girl, Dilka Brown Rash, Dragon All Star, DJ Rick, Bread, Fire Q, Mad One. Everybody big up yourself. Thank you for joining us. As we say, we bring to you the best of the best in the game, in the UK dancehall scene. And we have a special person that should have been here from a long time, but nothing happens before its time. I'm going to allow him to introduce himself, because him know for doing things. So introduce yourself to our listeners and our viewers first, please, sir.
Blaq Cognaq. Wagla madagla them know say Blaq Cognaq represent.
Yeah.
Like a bad boy from out of Clarendon. Done.
Bad people, please. Welcome to the Up and Live Show, sir. How are you?
Great.
Great. One source of answer, so
What you mean,
you're
man?
great.
Them have life, man, and the greatest.
Cool, na, man.
Life are the greatest.
Life definitely is the greatest, and it's good to have you in studio. As we say, it's been a long time forwarding. We don't know, say you've been making moves within UK dancehall. Many people may know you, many people may not. So let us start by asking, who is Blaq Cognaq?
Oh, well, Blaq Cognaq is an artist from, like I say, North Central Clarendon. Then in England for one number of years and now from a musical journey. Yeah, they don't know. That's how everything started. Them born. So yeah.
Right.
Music, me from then and just look for expand it to a wider scale, is it?
Mm-hmm.
So used to be too bad. Cut the wrongs call me so a Stingray studio me there I cut some dub film.
Mm-hmm.
Me there England I did thing and too bad like just what it been cause nothing bad them say not too really last. So it's like my whole lady I say yo Blaq Cognaq.
And you've stuck.
Why the name Cognaq?
Yeah.
Do you like the drink Cognaq?
I didn't make that name, bro.
You said it's your mom that gave you that name. Your
My
grandma.
grandma, yeah,
Is
yeah,
there any
yeah.
specific reason why she gave you that name?
You know, say a grave she give me it from she passed on in a vision.
Okay. See there, we talk about the spiritual thing, don't it?
Yeah.
Cool, no,
But
man.
she gave him Cognaq at the black tweet.
No. To be honest, what go on is I run the too bad thing for and obviously you know say me have to try to do some lyrics for represent the name.
Yes.
So it have me in a dark place. It's getting me a deal and obviously not for a time obviously lyrics them bad me a shelly place and thing but really and truly and a message and it's what I say I'm really want to send out at the time.
Right.
And it's like you know when you search, you know? Yeah, search car. You want to know say alright, yeah.
You're doing the right,
yeah.
right.
All right.
So what did you?
So let's speak to your recent rise towards the more popular side of UK dancehall scene.
Yeah.
Because a few years ago, nobody really know about the name Blaq Cognaq.
Yeah.
Like since like lockdown, you've been frequenting more in the top echelons with all the popular names. What popular? What drive you up top?
The blessing from grandma grave though. And I can only say that because before Blaq Cognaq too bad was like me I say I do the thing people know me. Like most of the people in the game man is me I say good like that them know say yeah I'm lyrical rated but obviously the strength and thing upon the levels of say alright then boom make a support and get the artist so
this wasn't by any affiliation or collabs or songs that kind of get you out there in the main theme of the way what we call English dancehall scene?
No, I'll tell you, say, from the name change, obviously, I see everything I move upwards, though. So that's why I tell you, say, spiritual realms.
Yeah.
Cool, no, man. And so before music, because fairly new within the industry, but before music, what did you used to do that made, and based on what you used to do, is there something that happened while you turned to music?
Alright, to be honest with you, obviously music always be a part of the family where born come see my grandfather have a son. When we were little youth, I grew up at exercise at morning time. Bob Marley and Dennis Brown and Peter Tosh and you get me Toots and the Metals.
Yeah.
We are trod around to a whole exercise in the morning. So music always did it.
Right.
So it's like me take on to it and from primary school, the beat in the desk, obviously the school fed them and concert them and you get me? Obviously. So music always did it, but when in a yard and obviously you don't know say you're from a struggling family, you get a mad like you have to go out there go look the bread.
Right.
And when me 18, I joined the fire service down.
Okay.
I'm a fireman in Jamaica, you see me?
Okay.
Serve my country proud. Yeah, man, I pay my dues, you see me?
Yes.
Out fire and save cat and there sitting there.
So basically in Jamaica, what you are talking about is sit in the station and play some domino and load it.
Until you get the call.
Well, let me ask you a question then.
Yeah.
So if you want, give me work, I'll light your house.
Now, normally you guys would turn up and say the water is finished. The water in the truck.
Yeah, what go on now, bro? Let me tell you something. There's a lot going on in the service as well. They get me because we go in high school, go teach and all them.
Right, so there are other aspects
of... There's a whole aspect in our fire brigade. So nobody watching man them we play domino. Isn't it? When we start, in a 95, when the younger set us, man them start joining. Obviously, the older one them did the domino man them have to fix up. Because some youth were sharp and with brilliant. No one them youth have to run around and be corporal in no time, be sergeant in no time. So, isn't it?
So, Blaq Cognaq.
Yeah.
That name, that energy that you bring off with the music.
Yeah.
Why didn't you come out with like that fire vibes as a previous fireman? Like that type of bone this, bone that type of energy towards the music.
Yeah, what me I know. You say the burning of things, obviously, we give it to the real fireman them. Obviously, you get me.
But you was a real one.
Yeah, as in the one where if you go put out the fire when your house abandoned.
Right.
Don't mix it up. You understand?
Yeah, but starting the fire means you should be able to put it out.
You hear me I say no? As a fireman at the time in Jamaica, serving the fire service, I was there to put out fire. In our music, you have people who have bonfire in our music.
Yeah. Right.
And a blaze fire in our music. Me see the music as a motorway where everybody in them lane and a drive. You see me? Me in my lane and me a drive. If people who have bonfire, just go and drive in them lane and burn fire.
Right.
For them responsibility.
And so
hold on. Speaking about lane, we see like dancehall music over here. Like a lot of people don't want to categorize UK dancehall as UK dancehall. So let's put it broadly. Dancehall music on a whole. What lane would you see your career going on? Is it in the slow lane or the middle lane or the fast lane?
That's a different lane totally.
Alright, what you know now? I just want me a drive and my main objective is to reach. So if me have to go slow down at 40 or so, or speed up at 60 or so, I go press the gas pedal over this. So is that my deal? I want to reach my journey.
But a lot of people would say they are driving, but they're not on the motorway. Their music is only on the A roads in London. They're not even going on the big roads, no motorway. They're just circling about. Do you say your music is reaching outside of London?
I drive go Rotterdam one of them days, man. If I saw them, man. You can drive go Rotterdam.
Why not? Go on the ferry.
Because
I play with the texting.
Because
right. So talk to us about the trip. I guess that is where you're going. Dragon was going with the conversation. Speak to us about your recent journey to Rotterdam and the shows that you did. Talk to us about that.
Okay, so first of all, I want to big up my cousin entrance boss, Danny Bliss.
Danny Bliss, big up
And
yourself.
say I listen carefully. You hear what you hear now?
Yes. We hear make him entrance a long time, you know, brother.
All right, so what you know now?
Yeah.
Yes.
All courtesy, I am pull off, obviously, I talk about
made
my
a
cousin as
network.
usual. They don't
Right.
know, I'm in a network. He's a
Right.
lead, and obviously, him mentioned Blaq Cognaq to some promoters out there, and obviously, them go look and see what go on with Blaq Cognaq, and they like what them say, and them say, alright, them bodo them.
Yeah.
We'll make him forward for show and thing.
And how was the experience?
It was great. It was a brilliant experience.
And the
obviously.
reception from the people?
Let me tell you something, to be honest, I'm not even gonna be big-headed nor anything, but like, it was a lovely experience, and you get what I say? It's like me feel kingly, in a sense where, for no say, yo, watch you know, me don't even have a song where Dragon would say a number one song.
Yeah.
You see what I say? Because Dragon would have in a playlist or something, you see what I did?
Yeah.
And to see the people, they must say, well, obviously, but me know say the Jamaica brand.
Right.
I'm not gonna lie and go around the thing, you understand?
Speaking about number one song, I know like a lot of people when they tend to go to Europe, and a lot of Jamaicans tend to go to Europe, even when they have a number one hit song, they tend to sing over some Bob Marley and stuff. Do you end up in that category? They have to sing over some of that, them Bob Marley and some folk song?
I never have to do none of that. I'll just be myself because, you see me? Just be myself. And
So
obviously the
all
people
your
them-
performances are all
was
your
original,
tracks.
original tracks.
And we like that. So you've been, we always refer back to lockdown because lockdown, everybody experienced it. We saw Instagram lives being a very, very popular thing during that time. You forwarded up on my live quite a number of times, you know, in discussions. And justice, standing up for justice, against injustice, if that makes sense. During that time, how did you use that opportunity to develop yourself as a professional artist?
As to be honest, obviously everybody had more time on their hands in a lockdown. You get what I say? So there wasn't obviously the regular activities happening where you was in your space. You get me? So it's either you're gonna use it for stress for lockdown or fret about corona.
And we're asking, what did you do?
Or you're gonna use it for produce, or you get me? I say with me, we do a lot of networking. You get me? Do a lot of recordings and obviously promoting. You get me?
Of your music,
just networking, just networking,
and outside of that, from then until now, are there any of those tracks that were recorded? Are they going to be put into a project anytime soon that we can look forward to? What is happening with your music? Are you doing an EP, an album? Shanti, don't mind me for that, but work with it. Are you doing anything with your tracks to be promoting yourself even more for people to know that, yes, this is Blaq Cognaq?
Well, right now, obviously, we just have some singles I dropped. I do some collaboration with some people. Last night, it's true, though, one bad collab last night, I don't call no name, you get me? But, like I say, you get me personally, for myself, I have a 5-track EP where I work on, you get me? I look for that for my birthday in about March, you see me?
So, March 2023, we can look forward to a 5-track EP, you said? Do you have a title for it just yet?
No.
So it's just in the planning phase, no problem, and we're looking forward to that.
You know, you say your songs are not in my playlist, and
no, I just me about a fire for you, car. Is it me? I just mean literally about a fire. You can throw some water upon me.
No, hold on. What I'm saying is like, I think recently bringing music to the forefront of my attention, and it's the Celebrity Clash.
Yeah.
When I hear Beanie G play one of your songs on a custom, and I just want to take this time out to ask you, what's your relationship with you and the artist? Do you have any beef with anybody? Do you have everybody good? Walk on, because that song that sound a bit personal. I don't know. It can't be just a regular custom, so.
Me a Rasta, me not do beef.
Aital.
Kalalu.
Veggie chunks.
Veggie
problem.
Veggie chunks.
Me don't know what go on.
Me good with every artist. In a sense where me live my life where me not build enemies, me not want enemies, me not use enemies. You get me?
So it's just purely music.
Alright, for me, that particular song, you know, left off fighting that song, like that song they show you, Cognaq.
Yeah.
I've been talking about it.
Yeah. You provoke your artist, you provoke Shanti with you a lot. I'm more you love it because me and Shanti are bridging, me and Shanti.
We're not provoking anybody.
This one you may talk. That one you may. That one. When you talk about the broadboard and then sitting there, broadboard.
This is what we do.
Do you want me to say 2x4?
No, but why? All it was, you see me?
Yeah.
All it was obviously being the link. Me say more some tune for obviously a clash.
Yes.
Me as a artist from Jamaica, were used to the clash thing and sound clash thing from me a little youth.
Right.
You get me? I say.
Right.
Bodyguard from down at my place kill a whole heap of sound. Black Cat from probably next place when we move go live murder we want a whole heap of sound.
Right.
You see me? Bass a this. Which is me I say.
Yes.
So the clash thing. I'm fully aware, right? So. In a clash, obviously, if you really want to go in a clash, you have to be different. You have to pull something. You have to have a secret weapon or something. You get me? So when the dog link me and him, I say, yo, Cognaq, I want 2 tunes from me, but I want one as a special and one as a canon.
Yeah.
You get me? I just say, alright, then Budu do my alright. And the quickest canon I could have find a Draco one, they say, you see me?
Yeah, so,
I just say, alright, then boom. Just turn back somebody gun upon them. You get me?
Okay.
So I'm speaking because we in a modern time, you know, it's modern warfare. Yeah. If somebody decide they want fire back 2 cruise missile over your side,
would you be ready?
How would you respond? Would you respond or you just call it like deuce?
I have one song out there named Serial Killer. Go look for it.
Serial killer?
Yeah.
That sound like say it's a mental problem.
Sniper.
It is what it is.
Go search for that song.
Yeah.
When you have time, search for that song. Like.
Okay.
Alright, Cognaq, I'm asking a question. On the topic of clashing, do you think the space over here need some form of competition other than this collab and this behind me a friend, and you need a lyrical warfare, do you think?
To be honest with you, it would be very helpful, but I think that place a base and ready for it. Because you know why? This is my opinion.
Yeah.
Like I could be wrong.
Yeah.
Like in other places, I have too much done and too much gunman and too much. You get me a deal with. So a man will tell you say yes, him in a clash, and then him voice a song, and when you voice a song and say something harder than what him saying a theme song now, then you start get phone call and you get me a deal with threatening and all them thing. The space and already feed. Jamaica will know say yeah, I eat run yard.
So what was that the kind of issue where that Joe at lockdown? When that lyrical confrontation with Sid and them that go on?
No, I can't speak for no man, but from my personal experience, me alone take on a camp. Me alone take on one whole camp.
Which camp was that?
1-5. I mean, and them good.
Yeah, that's why I ask, say, when that confrontation will happen and you're far within the war, so I ask, say, if that was a thing where we have badness intervene in the musical confrontation.
Yeah,
because remember, I don't know, you know.
Yeah, something did start going in the end whenever I forgot, and I just say, all right, then both of them. Since I was so, I just let it go and just focus the other thing. Cause I prove, say, I'm me alone, I take on, is it me?
But, Cognaq, it's the thing where everybody run from it. It's how I understand. Yeah. Artists over here, I don't want to be called as a UK dancer, right?
Yes.
But if you want me class is a dancehall artist from Jamaica, the original space. Yeah. The original space does this. So if you think say you want to do a Jamaica do and I want to call UK, then do a Jamaica do. If you're not gonna do a Jamaica do, then you're the UK version.
But that's why I'm telling you, Brad, say obviously it wanted boy. But me I tell you say at the same time as it wanted, the players them in the game, them not ready to contribute to the ball game.
But there's the thing me talk with remember I said with their clash so enough live where a man for clash a man and a man say him sick. And then him turn up afterwards. So it's like how are you sick but then you're there. Yeah. And I was like, yo, I'm gonna do it because it does help. Yeah. It helped the space because you know I watch some video you post and get a person just like how Jagan know you more now than if you just see him than his cousin. Him say him hear a song for you. I'm say, okay, make sure that you can do. Every little competition help because it create awareness.
Yeah, man, a real talk, man. Like I say, obviously, any farm of war should have found my place still. I don't have me.
You're ready.
Kremlin
You're ready.
I have some Kremlin Jacob.
Okay.
Jaja.
All right. Since you're here, I want to just get this out in the public. Let rest this story because it's been a story. It's the elephant in the room. Yeah. Are you the one who's writing Danny Bless music?
No.
24 hours a day.
No, Danny Bless talented, you know. We're forward from musical family, you know. Trust me. I said no. The answer is no, and I'm gonna explain you why Danny can create his own thing. Because we not do it because we want to do it. Music. Everywhere I go, it's the same cry. Money, you know, sing that song there.
I don't know the lyrics.
Sing that song there. Money worries.
You know that song there?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you know I think about
me and Danny Bless bloodline.
Yeah.
Sing that song.
All right, so is Danny Bless write his own music?
Yeah. Him not even write, he meds it.
He meds it, yeah.
Don't even write.
So why we don't have a Blaq Cognaq and a Danny Bless banger yet?
In the making.
Because, it's 24 hours a day.
In the making. I tell you something about my cousin. Yeah. Him love fame on 5 minutes of fame.
5?
Yeah.
All right. Let's move back to a Blaq Cognaq interview.
Yeah. Right.
Sorry, go ahead, Rasta.
Let's take it back to the this is where my question is gonna go, because everybody knows each artist have a slang and a phrase for themselves. Talk to us about Bududup. Where that forward from, brother?
You know, say, Bududup just forward like, then okay, then if Cartel have, and you get me?
Yeah.
But isn't Bududup Tamales?
No. My one.
So hold on, but we know Tamale popularized that trend before you.
Me never hear it before.
Because we even know about this thing when I say, some man say Bududup, but blood climb out stink.
Me say Bududup.
Bududup are for you thing.
Right, so it's just you're just up on the ends one day and
just Bududup.
It just forward. So anytime we hear Bududup,
just Bududup.
Are you that? Don't. Right.
Wagla Madagla is the original. Wagla.
Yeah, that's what I hear with first, but I said that's unique.
Yeah.
Wagla Madagla.
Yeah. Nobody can say it though.
I'm not even gonna attempt to say it. I'm not do it. I'm not mess it up.
The English version called Bududup.
Bududup. Me can't manage that.
Bududup. Everybody are at them a Bududup right now.
Yeah. All right.
All right. So,
So-
it is now 17 minutes to the hour of 11 o'clock. Did you
Yeah.
have another question to ask, All-Star?
We're not done. Inquiry not done yet. So
Time is going.
let's speak about your upbringing because we know you're from Clarendon, like Danny Bless.
Father was a sound man.
You know your father was a son man.
Yes.
Where exactly in Clarendon you forward from, and your younger days growing up to a man right now? If you want to speak about that a little bit.
I'm going to tell us a North Central. I'm not giving no pinpoint location. I don't trust you.
Google Maps, Google Earth.
Boy, I ain't glad believe no, you know.
Nah, Central, that
Yeah?
big place
But
in Clarendon.
one phone call. You live
No,
in
wait,
England,
wait,
but one
wait.
phone
Hold
call,
on
yeah?
there. Why so like bad this a push for the Sir, don't do
Boy,
it.
me I tell you, see,
Don't do it.
Well,
But yeah, talk to us about your upbringing.
Yeah,
though.
yeah. So man, North Central, like me say, I'm forward from up in the countryside. So you don't know, say, yeah. We have the rivers, we have the sugar cane, we have the citrus. You get the
So it was a very fun
It was a fun childhood, you get me? Fun childhood. Yeah,
Child
you get
stick.
me?
child stick. I was
Correction.
gonna say child.
A
Yeah,
good child upbringing.
Child
upbringing,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
And family seems to be very important to you. So obviously that was the same case then.
Yeah.
Was there anybody in particular? I know we're repeating ourselves. Your dad had a sound system. How important has that experience been for you as an artist?
The fact that I was exposed to a sound from early.
Yes. How important is that for you?
It's very important.
How?
It's important in a way where it show beats, it show obviously timing, it show people different style, different messages. You get what I say? So for me, obviously growing up, the fun side of music, I used to always like listen Professor Nuts. You get me? Make you laugh.
Yeah.
You get what I say?
Based on his
Happy-
gimmicks
based
and
his
his
gimmicks
execution.
and
Yes,
execution. You get me? Papa Son, lyrical.
Yes.
Was somebody
Yes.
who mad.
Yeah, show your
Yes.
age, brother. Yeah, show your age.
Yeah, don't worry yourself. Man. Don't worry yourself. You have more beard on your face than me. I'm a young bud. I don't know storm.
Right. So that was quite important for you.
Yeah.
And I mean, you said that you're lyrical.
Yeah,
You say you're one of the baddest in the game.
I mean, say so.
Me hear it, you know.
Actually, you did say
Bodo
that
do.
still.
Yes.
say that.
It tell me that
Yeah.
personally.
When me tell us a bread.
It tell me
So,
personally.
excuse-
that
Bread, what me
live.
tell us? What me tell us?
Exactly.
Remember it's on record, so
It's on
you know.
record.
You up on record.
Yes.
Yes. Tell you actually tell me this in real life.
Yeah.
So we up at Addington.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some my body stick.
Up on that
One
show
off.
there.
I
Up
said
on-
one
okay.
off.
Up on that show there.
One of the baddest in the game. And we have 40 minutes left before our show is ended. Yeah? For tonight.
Yeah, and
So All-Star is going to...
we have a little time left. Don't jump the gun. We just want to say like we know most of your song them as alright, what me know, most of them is not tailored for the female side of crowd.
Yeah.
Why is that? Is that strategical or what?
No, man, I've got someone.
I didn't say you have. You don't. I said majority of your work is not tailored for the girl side.
okay.
So what about the girl song banger them where the girl them can say, yeah, me like that song. And most of the time when you're out performing, your hit song them with the crowd know is more like the bad man type of song. Them. Why is that?
It's just a song that I forward and was ready and was pushed out the road. You get me idea, but obviously, like I said, there's songs of forward where involve a lot of the ladies. I mean, get me idea, the girl them want to sort of cognac, like I said, need to get drunk. So, is it me?
They want
Them
drink
dead.
cognac.
They want drink the
Yeah,
cognac.
like why you don't?
But the thing is obviously, to say it now, girl love bad man. You know?
Yeah, but as
Some man want to do it the easy way of just flooding and talking about a thing to your girl them. Obviously, you get me. I kind of just hardball and make a girl love bad man.
but so it's a badness thing. So we join back to the Stockholm syndrome again for the girl them.
So I said she have to fear me if you love me.
Kinda.
All right then.
At that turn around.
Bodo dope.
Yeah, I want to just feed right.
Yeah.